No. Yeah, please cooperate. Our special guests are to leave to Hyderabad, Vijayawada. So the train is there. Please cooperate to finish it another early. And the General Secretary, none other than Mr. Dr. Mayam Raju. Congratulations. And here comes the Vice President, please. Dr. Srilata. Dr. Srilata is a women delegation for the Vice President poster for the National Medical Association, Warangal Lineage. And one more name is Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar. After a big fight, he has been elected to the Vice President. Congratulations, Mr. Arun Kumar. And one more absentee Vice President. Right now he is on the way. Let us join him after some time, Mr. Dr. Ajay Kumar from Station Kanpur. And one more dynamic Vice President of our association. We appreciate Dr. Durga Prasad. One of the dynamic leader for our association in future. The congratulations. The important and most important, our senior most surgeon from our side, Dr. Gnaneshwar, the professor of Chelya. He will be the Vice President of the association for the National Medical Association Warangal. We congratulate him and we request to come on to the dais. That's all, everything is finished, I think. Anything is left? One more post is left. We get big clap! Our President, Dr. Sri Ravikant! Dr. Sri Ravikant, you have been requested to come on to the dais and you have been elected for the President. Congratulations. All give a big clap. Big applause.